Hey guys, good morning. You feeling it on Bitcoin? Man, a lot of people looking at these charts this morning thinking we're going to get really bullish. I'm not in disagreement, guys. Been looking for this call for a move up here. I'm going to show you guys some on-chain metrics today that, we're going to look exactly where volume went through. And a lot of big whales purchased right around this area right here that I'm going to show you guys, okay? We're also going to be going over the emotional index for Bitcoin, the trades in favor, long versus short trades, market cap, so on and so forth. We're just going to keep moving our way down here. There are some shorts coming out for wealth institutions, smart money, and we'll go over that, okay, guys? First thing I want to talk about, guys, before we get into this video, because the sale ends today, you guys have, from recording this video, I would say 11 hours left. Depending on when you guys watch it, our sale for all of our indicators is ending today. It's not a sad thing, but it's a thing where you guys really want to get in here. We have called a total of 6 trades for scalping trades with these indicators since May 18th for a total of 25% profit, depending on if you hit your first buy limit, second or third, how many you guys placed for your risk management. There's been a total profit of 25% that we've called out. We are going to be calling more of these out on this YouTube channel. I'll be calling them out. So make sure you guys have these, the indicators I'm using today. Prices will be going up tonight at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, May 31st, and today is May 31st. So enter coupon code SAVEMONEY here so you guys can snag these. Let's actually look at these indicators to see what they're calling for us today, okay? Price versus well money flow, trend exhaustion. Let's take a look at these two. We are very high in this top red section up here, and well money flow is high. What we need to do with these is we need to go into the past and assess what has happened during this time. We can see that we have a call over here. Don't look at price action right now. Just look at what we're looking at for the whale money flow. What has happened when whales have purchased this type of aggressiveness in the past? And you have to remember something. When this green line goes up, it shows you guys that whales are buying. And you don't even have to look at the price structure. When this goes up, you know that the market's going to be going up with it, okay? Because the whales are buying in. Now, if you look at this trend exhaustion, and we're at the top here, we also need to pair this up and see, is trend exhaustion high in the past when these levels have been hit? And they have. So what we're looking at here is we saw a pretty massive drop back down in Bitcoin right here. And then we look up over here and we didn't see a pretty big drop, but it is a decent drop back down. And then we saw this, which pushed us into the overall downtrend bear market that we've been in. Now we see it happening again over here. So here's my call on this. I've been telling you guys, I think this is going to move up here, and we've been looking for the area for a breakout of 32,500 to actually squeeze all short traders. You need to understand something. Yes, our indicators have been doing really well at calling these drops in the market, and people are making money on the shorts, but people, if you guys are not scalping with us and taking 3 to 4% profit, and you're getting greedy trying to set your targets down here, you guys are actually all in a loss right now. Who took short trades at any of these structures right now because we're ahead of this. You guys are in a loss, and some of you have hit your stop losses. You have to think of something out there as long traders right now for the bull market to continue here. A lot of those short traders are getting nervous right now because if we come back up here, and this is classically known as a break and retest pattern, and this thing starts moving back up here above this high, guys, it's going to freak out all short traders. They're going to be forced to close their positions, either because of margin getting hit, because we're at so low prices and percentage-wise are larger down here. Margin calls are either going to get hit here because they over-leveraged themselves and they're going to have to close. And then most likely what they're going to do is this party that has taken shorts, they're going to shift over to long trades, and we could be seeing this move up to $36,000 seriously within the next 7 days. It is not a hard move to hit 36,000, which is simply the next strongest resistance, which is an ascending resistance line. Okay? For those of you guys scalping with the indicators, you guys need these too. The next scalping position that's coming out, and I'll try to look for it and call it on this channel, but telling you guys what it is right now, is when trend exhaustion is in the bottom red section. The moment this happens and well money flow is moving down, guys, you want to look to get back into this trade. It'll probably be, if we do start moving down, it'll probably be something like this, maybe a retest into maybe the bottom zones here for the previous structures. That is going to be a fantastic trade for you guys to get into. Okay, the last Bitcoin entry we called was down here, and you guys all won 4% on that video. It was on Friday that I came out with that, and you guys all took 4% up here. It's actually moved past 4%. Guys, the scalping strategy we have, there's no better scalping strategy. I promise you guys, outside of Luna, okay, it is a 100% winning scalping strategy. Go on the front page and watch this, guys. These are the two things you need, indicators and memberships. Literally, we have pulled out 25% profit out of the market since May 18th. If you guys have been watching the YouTube channel, you've been seeing it. I've been giving it away to you guys, being like, look, now's the time to scalp. So I gave it away to everybody. Now, we're not always going to do that. That is because I wanted to show that to you guys and make sure you guys are snagging the indicators today so you guys can actually take some profits like this, where a dude literally took $150 and turned it into $1,000. $5,000 in 1 week. $2,777 profit and $4,000 a month. It just goes on and on. $23,000 in 1 week. Seriously, these are real testimonials, guys. We work with some of these people for over a year straight. All right, let's continue the analysis. Just want to tell that to you guys because we were doing really well over here, and watch that entry. Here we got to move back into the actual metrics over here. I want to look at Bitcoin here. Actually, before we do that, let me show you guys something. I pulled up the VRVP that you guys actually have to have I think it's a pro or higher TradingView membership for this. This is just going to simply show you guys where the volume transactions have been. Look at how much ridiculous volume has come through at this level down here. Right down here. We see a ton of buying right here. We see a ton of volume right here. Guys, I was just looking at some on-chain data. Like, this is where the whales bought. They bought right down here. And if you guys were following our indicators, I'm serious, guys, you guys got in before the whales even purchased some of their big positions. Because you can see up here, here's the largest position right here, and we have another large position right about here. If you actually look to see when trend exhaustion at the bottom here, this was before that. I'm serious, guys. I've coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com users. Get the indicators. There's no better indicators more accurate than these, okay? I'm pushing this hard today because you guys are going to be paying a higher price in a few hours here, so snag them as we make more money here. By the way, guys, I haven't showed this already, but we have gone 122 wins and only 1 loss due to the metrics, the indicators, and our risk managers. Just show this to you guys. We could keep everything transparent. In our Telegram channel, you'll see us call all of this out. Okay, let's continue here. Just trying to give you guys proof, all right? The Bitcoin metrics will all update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time today, 50 minutes. Emotionally, we have been pushed up into the excited area. Now, I don't even have to look at Wells Institutional smart money. I know they're going to be looking for shorts in the market. Because here's another scenario you guys need to be thinking about right now. Yes, we're moving back up here, but what an incredible time to get a bunch of buy volume in here and for institutions to short back down. So the question is, what's going to happen? Let's look at more data, then we can try to figure this out. Long versus short trades, the volume over here increased incredibly high, and then it's just been holding here, and it's actually been going up steadily over the last few days. So volume on Bitfinex for long trades is massively higher than short trades over here, which shows a bullish sign. Now take a look at this. The market cap strength of Bitcoin has done nothing but increase during this time of consolidation and even moves down here. When you guys see this, I've been telling you guys so much, guys, watch. You should be watching a few metrics, but watch this one. It is so interesting, guys, how I've shown you how we've been able to predict these market cycles. Do you see right here where price went down and in the same duration, the market cap strength went up here? Do you see over here where the price went down, market cap strength went up, and the precursor was a move back up? It's pretty interesting. Do you see over here where price moved down and market cap moved up here, secretly calling the move back up? Guys, and then it gets even crazier. Look at price moving up over here and look at market cap moving down. Look at that drop in the market. It is insane how accurate this actually is. Do you want to do one more for fun? Look at this. A high and a higher high, price action going up, market cap moving down, calling the drop. I saw this and I'm like, there are some secret things hidden in here, because here's what this green line shows you guys. This actually shows you where the money in crypto is going. This green line is a percentage of how much of the overall market cap in crypto is delegated to the coin you're looking at. In this case, it's Bitcoin. If you come straight over here to the left, we're sitting at about 47.5% of all the money in crypto is sitting in Bitcoin. An incredible amount. Okay? Guys, I'm just watching this metric here is going to do crazy things for your trading. Let me show this to you real quick so you just know how to access it. The $95 a month membership we have, that is accessible on every single one of these coins that you guys can watch. Those exact same patterns play out on all of these. The Telegram channel, you guys are going to entries and exits, masterclasses, community chat, and I go live with you guys every single month. I just wanted to show this to you guys because a lot of people love that metric I just showed you. It's part of our membership on every one of our coins. Okay, it's pretty awesome. Let's continue here. All right, what I'm doing, guys, is I'm giving you everything that we offer you. It may seem like a sales day, but it is. I'm telling you guys, this is how you're going to make money in this next bull market. Get the tools you need and start trading with them, okay? Tomorrow and the next few days, we're not going to be doing as much. It's just sales are ending to literally today. So I'm pushing it a little bit harder. So it's kind of push some of you guys, into action today. This is how we are making money. Okay, trades in favor. And we have the healthiest crypto account we can find anywhere right now, guys. Seriously, sitting at about $80,000 out of 150. Okay, just throwing things out there to help you guys understand what we're doing here. Trades in favor, we're sitting in the neutral section. It is an incredible day, guys, right now to still set up a long trade. I'll show this to you guys. Let's look at this. Well, institutional smart money. We see that the price has been going up here, and we're starting to see some shorts come out here. This is the only sign over here, guys, that I'm like, this is interesting. Last time we saw this little bit of a bull market up, we did see a move back down. So I am expecting to see some type of move down here where we're probably going to come back and retest this structure low here of probably about 30,500. Right around that area. It would perfectly make sense too because it's pushing back down here, but it would be exactly where the volume entered in. Sorry, that was a little bit high there, but exactly where the volume entered in for the big whales over here for a retest. And then for them to hold their support, they could even come in and put back more in here and then it actually breaks back up. Because here's what you could do. You could get everyone trading the break and retest pattern to go long. Everyone with buy stops above structure high here, they're going to go long as well. And remember, all the millions of dollars that went short right here, expecting more profit than what they could have gotten if they could have exited, they're going to look to go long as well. And that is how this market can explode. So overall, I still am going to make this call. I do believe we're going to hit $36,000 before we hit $20,000. I've been calling this for like over a week now, okay? Support and resistance prices, we've now pushed above this here. And the next resistance, guys, 35,914. So 35,914 puts us right about 35,914, right about there. Okay, was that right? Sorry, let me get this out. 35,000. Let's look at 35,000. So 35,000 is going to be pushing us right about there. 35,000. Yeah, that makes total sense because we've got all of these zones over here as well. So let's watch this. I think if the market's going to head up, this ascending resistance is so close to all these structures over here, I think we're just going to hit $36,000. Really, I think that's where we're going to be hitting. Okay, let's move this out of the way here for 1 second just to keep it clean on the charts here. We got what we needed for that. I don't use it a ton, guys, to be honest. These guys get you in and before, and they actually show you more than that. But just thought it'd be fun to show you guys. Okay, let's get you guys into a trade setup. Dollar cost average entries. You guys got an entry over here. We coded this indicator to say literally, find us the lowest prices in crypto before the projected move back up. That's what we did. If you guys are dollar cost average entry guys, and you're like, look, I want to just put money into the market. I understand the market may not go up exactly when we want, but let's get into the market and get some money in before it goes up a whole for 5 to 10 years. Absolutely incredible metric that we have on every single one of our coins as well, okay? Death cross, simply the 50 below 200 is a death cross. The 50 above the 200-day moving average is a golden cross. All right, today's trade setup. I'll show this to you guys because this is open to the public. This is 5:30. It's all going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's now in 45 minutes. Watch this. Here's how we have gone 122 wins and only 1 loss, which loss was on Luna, which everybody lost, okay? So besides Luna, we've been undefeated in our trades. You can even see that in the testimonials from others. Take a look at this. Right now, Bitcoin is at this break-in kind of a retest pattern right here. Even if we go down, I'll show you how to keep your account safe because it's how we've kept our account safe. This account has rebounded about $9,000 since Friday. Okay? Like seriously, guys, these coins in here that I hold a lot of, like Cardano and EOS, are my 2 biggest picks of 2022, guys. The ones that have the biggest gainers. And if you guys look this morning, Cardano is the only one that's just blasting off. It was over 10% yesterday, and we actually hit over 10% this morning before I started recording. Here's how you guys trade this with good risk management. This is accessible with our membership as well, okay? Listen here. Let's say you have $1,000. I'm just going to go with our main strategy. Split it into 4 equal portions and then place $250 at each of the yellow buy limits. So $250 here, $250 there, $250 here, and $250 here. Okay? Follow this strategy that I'm teaching you guys right now. What will happen here is when you guys get your first buy limit hit, you are then going to put a sell limit up here at the sell limit price. This is on all of our coins, guys. This is in case the market skyrockets, which it could be doing here up to 36,000, maybe even higher, and you guys want to make sure you get some money out of the market. I'm going to be calling exits for everybody in the Telegram channel for everybody who's in these trades. We have a Bitcoin trade open right now that we're going to be calling an exit for. And I'll show this to you guys right now just so I can keep everything transparent because we do have this trade open. Just want to keep the chart clean for everybody right here. So the break-even entry on Bitcoin, let me go to the daily time frame. We can just see it all a little bit better here. The break-even entry is at 46,088. So if you guys want to hold this trade that you're getting into today, if you would like, You guys are going to be doing about 67% if you exit with me. Now, another question is, well, Travis, when should we exit the trade if we get in right now? First of all, set up the sell limit in case we explode. Like, I'm serious, guys. This thing can move really, really fast. And if you're not watching the computer, you're going to want the profits, okay? The next call here, guys, that you could be watching for is when trend exhaustion hits the top red section on the daily. Why daily? Because the 4-hour is currently already at the top section here. This is why I'm showing you guys the daily, so follow me here. For those of you guys entering now, look for trend exhaustion at the top red section on the daily time frame. Well, money flow will be heading up. Why? Because last time this happened up here, this was the peak before we saw a drop. You look again, this was the peak before we saw the drop back down in the market. Okay, I'm showing this stuff to you guys so you guys can start predicting the market even better. Even an overextension rally here, get out somewhere up here. Don't wait for the top because this thing just crashed. All right, so next time trend exhaustion's up here in the top red section, that's where you guys can look for some profit, which I do believe we're going to be pushing that up to, I would say about 11 to 12% profit. Here's how you set up an alert so you guys have this. Come over here to the alert section. This is part of all the indicators. Come here, set up trend exhaustion. Watch for drop. You can do watch for pump or watch for drop. Whatever time frame you guys set this alert up on will be the time frame that it alerts you on. Okay? So watch for drop on the daily time frame once per bar and come down here and do the alert name. Just do BTC and we're going to do watch for drop. Just like that. Okay, and then watch for drop, and I like to do like this, BTC. I've actually been seeing these go off a lot lately on my phone because we pushed up, I'd set them up on the 4-hour time frame, and they've been going off because we hit up here. Literally, I was watching my phone, I was like driving, I'm like, oh, cool. Bitcoin looks like it's probably going to be pushing over to extended territory, potentially looking for a drop here, and it's pretty cool. Literally, I'm getting these alerts on my phone as I was driving yesterday. I wasn't looking at my phone too much, but I saw it pop up here, not driving and look at my phone. So, and then I was like, anyways, we're working on the house stuff, and I saw it pop up. I'm like, this is so cool. It's like literally these indicators are telling me what's about to be happening with the market, and I can know this by simply getting updates from the indicators. Pretty cool. So guys, I'm just ending the video there. That's what you guys need to be understanding here. The indicators, again, like I said, you guys, you're down to a few hours. If you guys watch this later in the day, you may only have like 30 minutes left or an hour. It just depends when you guys watch it. Maybe you've already passed. So count yourself lucky if you guys literally are watching this video right now. You guys click this link. It's in the description, and I'm going to pin it to the first comment of the YouTube video. Enter coupon code SAVEMONEY today. Literally at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'm going to be upping the price of the bundle pack. And it's like, guys, the price is going to be going up. I don't know how else to say this. Some people are, I feel like some sales online are like, they say they're going to do something and it's like a timer, and then it's just like never runs out. Oh, I can't stand those. Anyways, guys, we are officially upping the price. You cannot get this indicator bundle pack for this cheap after 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time today. So make sure you guys snag those. All 3 indicators that I use, you guys will be getting. On top of that, with the bundle pack, you get another 6 indicators, plus 2 Forex indicators down here and a pressure gauge indicator, so a total of 9. Listen carefully, guys. If you have ever bought individual indicators from us, like the price for swell money flow, or trend dashboard, trend exhaustion, please guys email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and we will honor this today. We will give you guys a PayPal invoice. Just pay the difference between the bundle pack and what you've already paid, and we'll give you guys the rest of the indicators. We don't want you overpaying for this. Pay the cheapest possible amount. Email us and we'll give you guys that discount code, and we'll give you guys a PayPal email. So we'll literally just attach all the all of the source codes of the indicators. We'll attach it to your email, the thread. So you guys we'll literally just send it over to you on email today. But make sure, please do that today, guys. We cannot honor that tomorrow. Please do it today. And last but not least, guys, make sure all of your guys' metrics for the whales that I showed you guys. Oh, guys, the metrics are so powerful as well. The community chat, getting together with people, make sure you guys are snagging this as well. But biggest thing today is the indicators are going up. Guys, God bless you. Have an amazing, amazing day. Let's watch for the bull run, guys. Short squeeze is still in play. I think 36,000 is what we're going to hit before 20,000. So incredible time to get into the market. Use that risk management on the long trade. And guys, watch for the next scalping entry when the trend exhaustion's at the bottom, guys. Watch for that to get back in for 4%. If you guys win that, that will literally be 30% profit you've gained since May 18th. We've locked in 25% profit, 25% since May 18th, just with the indicators. All right, guys, I love you. Have an amazing day. Snag this right here on the homepage, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.